Hey folks, today we have the best trypophobia triggers from the world of animals. So while you look at some interesting images and videos, we'll give you a few facts about trypophobia. And at the end, we'll show you the animal that's most associated with trypophobia. Trypophobia is the proposed fear of irregular patterns or clusters of small holes or bumps. Although the American Psychiatric Association doesn't recognize trypophobia as a diagnosis, they do admit that people can have a phobia to anything, and there is definitely something to this phenomenon. Some experts believe that our reaction to these kinds of images is from biological revulsion, and that we associate these images with danger because they resemble things such as holes made by stinging insects. Or rotten or moldy things, or objects that contain parasites. So 2017's winner of the Trypophobia Animal Award goes to the Suriname toad. The females carry the fertilized eggs on their back, which form pockets over a period of several days, eventually taking on the appearance of an irregular honeycomb. Tadpoles develop and eventually emerge from the mother's back as fully developed toads. And this visual process freaks people out. So there you go, the Suriname toad. Well, what do you think? Is the Suriname toad the best example of trypophobia? Or do you associate trypophobia with a different animal? Comment below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. We have new content all the time. See you next time.